The Realme GT2 series contains the first premium flagship released by Realme, known as the Realme GT2 Pro. But there is another variant that is being eclipsed by this top-tier flagship, the Realme GT2. Besides not being the most advanced phone from the brand, the vanilla version is still an amazing handset, providing an incredibly high-quality price ratio, and we think it is being underestimated. In order to let you understand the differences between the new handsets, we decided to compare the specifications of the Realme GT2 Pro to the ones of the GT2. In this comparison, you will hopefully discover which device has the highest value for money according to your actual needs. The designs of the Realme GT2 and the Realme GT2 Pro are not so different. The only difference is the position of the elements in the camera module. There is more distance between the sensors on the vanilla version, while the Pro variant looks more attractive because the cameras are closer to each other, more similar to a lot of other flagship phones. Both the phones come in two special variants designed by the known Japanese designer Naoto Fukasawa, and built with a biopolymer that resembles the touch and feel of real paper. There are also a few additional variants with standard glass backs, for those who do not like this sustainable biopolymer. But Realme recommends it because it reduces the carbon emissions during the production process, and it helps to respect the environment. One of the most important advantages of the Realme GT2 Pro is the presence of a better flagship class display. Its panel is at the same level as the one found on the most advanced flagships by Oppo and OnePlus, the Oppo Find X5 Pro and the OnePlus 10 Pro. It is an AMOLED display with 1 billion colors, a diagonal of 6.7 inches, a Quad HD Plus resolution of 1440 by 3200 pixels, the LTPO 2.0 technology, enabling an adaptive refresh rate from 1 to 120 Hz, and the HDR10 Plus certification. It is definitely a stunning panel with great color accuracy and a very high level of detail. The Realme GT2 has a lower-end AMOLED display with a Full HD Plus resolution, a 120 Hz refresh rate, and HDR10 Plus, but it is still a great panel. The Realme GT2 Pro is fueled by the brand new Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 mobile platform, the best chipset by Qualcomm. It is actually a big upgrade if compared to the Snapdragon 888 mobile platform found on the Realme GT2, which is the flagship chipset by Qualcomm released in 2021. Both provide flagship class performance thanks to their high-end chipset, but if you need the fastest phone with the highest GPU performance, then you have to go for the Pro variant. In both cases, you get Android 12 out of the box, customized by Realme UI 3.0. These phones will get 3 major Android updates and 4 years of security patches. Is it enough for you? Another difference between these two handsets is in the camera department. Both come with a 50-megapixel Sony IMX766 main camera supporting OIS, but the secondary sensors are different. The Realme GT2 packs an 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera and a 2-megapixel macro camera. Nothing special, you can get these sensors on most of the mid-range phones out there. The Pro variant replaces them with a great 50-megapixel Sony IMX766 ultra-wide sensor and a 3-megapixel microscope lens with great magnification. Further, the Pro comes with a better 32-megapixel front camera for selfies. The battery capacities of these two phones are exactly the same, 5000 mAh. So expect a similar battery life, maybe something more on the Pro variant, because it has more efficient components, LTPO 2.0 display and 5nm chipset. The Realme GT2 sells for $603 globally, while the Realme GT2 Pro starts from $822. Now that you know all the differences, which one would you pick? Dear friends, thank you very much to each of you who watched this video to the end. Also hit the subscribe button, and most importantly have an awesome day. I'll catch all of you in the next video. See you.